Alright, so we're going to perform a SAM signal acquisition module test. So we're going to activate F3 right now, which is going to be left outside lamp. Alright, I'm going to test our SAM. Go ahead and activate it.
Active.
Nothing. Okay, now activate the right one.
Active.
Okay, and deactivate.
Switch on all.
And switch on all. Let's see what happens.
Active.
Alright, nothing. Okay, now turn them all off. I'm going to turn the switch on. So, we then cheat. We turn the switch on and see what's going on. Oh, look at that. The side light does come on. So that tells us the SAM is not sending signal to activate this left outer tail light. So we're going to finish our test by activating all other activations, which are going to be switch all tail lights, switch off all tail lights. So go ahead and switch them all on.
All on. Active.
Yep, only the right side comes on. Now we knew our SAM in the rear was already faulty just because it was doing some crazy things and it was killing the battery. I already had a suspicion, but this right here confirms it with the Mercedes tool. Okay, we're doing another test left inside. Okay, go ahead, do right inside. We're going to continue with the test just so we know. All right, on. Okay, go to the next step.
Switch on all.
Switch on all. All are on.
And then switch off.
Switch off. Okay, so that function works. Now we're going to check reversing lights.
Left light.
Left.
On.
On.
Right light.
Right on.
Switch on all.
Switch on all. Works.
Switch
Okay.
left side. On.
Left side turn signal.
Right side.
Right side on.
Switch on all.
Switch on all. There we go, working.
Switch off.
Now we're going to do the license plate lights.
Alright. Left side. On.
On. Yep.
Right side.
On. All right, that's working. All right, we're testing the fuel filler cap lock.
Okay. Filler cap lock on.
That's it. All right, turn it off. All right, good there.
Okay.
All right, now we're gonna replicate trunk lid unlock. We're gonna lock this up. All right, it's locked.
Unlock.
There we go. That works.
Alright.
Now we're gonna test the rear screen. All right, go ahead.
Okay. Actuation can only be performed if the rear window roller line is installed. Is it installed?
Yeah, yeah, this one has it.
Okay. Okay, raising up,
Nope, not working.
lowering.
Nope, not working. Okay, so that's another function. It's not working.